Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Gmail to Claude AI. All right, let's begin. First, open Claude AI and click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. From there, go to Settings and navigate to the Connectors section. Look for Gmail in the list of available connectors. If you do not see it immediately, click on Browse Connectors and search for Gmail manually. Next, click on the Connect button next to Gmail. This will redirect you to a Google sign-in page where you need to choose the Gmail account you want to connect. After selecting your account, click Continue. Claude AI will then request permission to access your Gmail data. Review the permissions carefully before allowing access. Once approved, Claude AI will be able to read and analyze your emails to help organize information more efficiently. After the connection is complete, you should see a Configure button next to Gmail inside Claude AI. This section allows you to manage permissions and decide what Claude AI can access in your inbox. Once connected, you can open a new chat and use Gmail-related features inside Claude AI. So that's basically how you can connect Gmail to Claude AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.